Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook a very simple stir-fry leek with egg. I have 350 grams of leek. Separate it into the stem part and also the leaf part. So this is how it looks like. I have 3 large chicken egg, half a cup of chopped carrot, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chopped spring onions, quarter teaspoon of pepper, 2.5 tablespoon of garlic oil, quarter teaspoon of salt, and I'll be using water as well. This is very simple. Preparation and cooking time is within 10 minutes. First, I like to start off with cracking the eggs. One tablespoon of garlic oil in the eggs, half of the salt, half of the pepper, all of the spring onions, and we're going to beat the eggs. Alright, egg is ready. Now we can go and cook it. Heat the pan. I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of garlic oil. When the oil is getting hot, I'm putting in the egg. And I'm going to use a spatula to push the egg inside like that. Because when the pan is getting hot, then the heat was slowly cooking the eggs, right? That is why if we do like this, the egg can be very nice and fluffy. This is just like how we do the scrambled egg. See, the egg is getting cooked now. And I'm going to slowly flip them. It's okay if they are not become one piece, because we're going to break them anyway. Just wait for the egg to cook. And now I'm going to use a spatula to just cut it into smaller pieces. When the egg is all cooked, I'm going to switch off the heat and continue to chop the egg up into smaller pieces. Alright, perfect. So now I'm going to take it out from the pan first. Just remove it from the pan, put it on the plate. Okay, I'm going to put it aside. In the same pan, I'm going to switch on the heat and put in the balance of the garlic oil. And oil is getting hot because the pan is already hot, right? And now I'm going to put in the stem part of the leek and the carrot. Put in half of the light soy sauce, a little bit of oyster sauce, put in about half tablespoon of water, give it a stir. Cover the lid and let it cook for about 1 minute. After about 1 minute, the carrot and the leek stem should be about half cooked. Now I'm going to put in the leaf part. Reduce the heat a bit while we put in the sauce, light soy sauce, oyster sauce. Put in the pepper, balance of the salt, half of the crispy fried garlic. Increase the temperature again to the high heat, and then we're going to give it a stir until all the seasoning well combined. And I'm going to cover the lid for about 30 seconds. After about 30 seconds, leek is now cooked, and I'm going to switch off the heat. If you cook the leek about 1 minute or 2 minutes, it's going to be nice and crunchy. However, if you want it to softer, you can cook slightly longer. But for this one, I'm going to make it just like that and give it a taste. Wow, delicious. It's enough taste and enough flavor. So at this stage, if you want to add more seasoning, you can do so. But for this one, it's already delicious and perfect. It's really very sweet. And now I'm going to add on the egg and some more crispy fried garlic. Just leave a little bit for garnishing. Just give it a mix. It looks so delicious. This is best served immediately once it's cooked and while the food is still hot. So I'm going to dish out and serve. Sprinkle the crispy fried garlic. Let's eat. Take a bit of leek, a bit of egg, a bit of crispy fried garlic. Very tasty and very sweet, delicious and flavorful. Leek is crunchy and very sweet. Egg is very fluffy and very nice fragrance of the crispy fried garlic. Egg and leek combined together, it is so delicious. Really good. If you happen to try, do share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked food like this. Thank you and bye bye.